Hello and welcome everyone to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. Indians have mastered the art of making halwas using variety of ingredients ranging from fruits and vegetables as well as pulses and cereals. So today I am here making moong dal ka halwa, which can be made in various occasions, can be served as prasads or sweet dish at the end of the meal. I have taken 1/3 cup of moong dal and now I will roast it in the karai for some time. This will release an aroma which will enhance the flavor of the halwa. Keep the flame of the gas from low to medium, or else there are chances that the karai may overheat and burn the moong dal. The time it took to get well roasted was around 3 to 4 minutes. You will see a change in color as well as the smell will start coming out. When this is done, we will transfer it into the mixer grinder and grind it into a fine powder. This fine powder we will be using to make the halwa. I have often seen people using boiled moong dal to make the halwa, but in my case I will be using this powder. You can use this moong dal powder alone, but I will also roast some rava or suji along with it. I am also roasting the semolina for some time. This will better the taste of the halwa. I have taken moong dal and suji in the proportion of 3:1. So this is around 40 grams of suji. I will make the halwa in only 2 tablespoons of ghee. Here I poured one and now goes the other spoon of ghee. When the ghee gets heated up, I will first add the moong dal powder and then the roasted suji. Moong dal ka halwa can be enjoyed on all occasions. You can prepare this very quickly and serve it as prasad or as a sweet dish after lunch or dinner. This halwa is rich in protein and healthy fats. Now I will add sugar powder. You can also add jaggery if you are opting for an healthier version. You can do another thing, that is you can make a chashni with this sugar, boiling it in water till it becomes one string consistency. But I won't be doing it separately. This is a quicker process. Now I will add 1 full glass of boiling water. Milk can also be used. You can see the bubbles are forming up, and at this stage only start stirring the halwa or else lumps will form. I stirred it till it became smooth and without any lumps. It will take hardly 4 to 5 minutes to cook well. It has been more or less cooked and now the halwa has started leaving the pan. I have made this in a non-stick pan so that it can be made with lesser fat medium. In the end, I will add 1/4 spoonful of ghee. This will add extra flavor and aroma to the halwa. You can add some chopped raisins, cashews and almonds or any other dry fruits of your choice. Munger halwa or moong dal ka halwa is now ready and I have served it. Do let me know about the recipe and which sweet dish you would like me to prepare. Thank you all for watching. Do like, comment share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.